Take your aerial photography and videography to the next level with the Lenovo V198MAX GPS Drone, a feature-packed professional drone designed for creators, travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and drone pilots. Equipped with an 8K Ultra HD camera, GPS positioning, laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, FPV real-time transmission, and a large-screen remote controller, this advanced drone delivers exceptional image quality, stable flight performance, and an immersive flying experience. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the Lenovo V198MAX GPS Drone and explore its premium features, including its 8K camera, intelligent flight modes, GPS navigation, obstacle avoidance technology, long flight time, brushless motor performance, and user-friendly controls. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, creating cinematic videos, capturing vacation memories, or exploring new locations from above, the Lenovo V198MAX provides smooth, stable, and professional quality aerial footage. The integrated 8K Ultra HD camera records stunning aerial videos and captures incredibly detailed photos with a maximum resolution of 7680 x 4320. Allowing you to preserve every moment with outstanding clarity and vibrant colors. Key features: Lenovo V198MAX GPS Drone 8K Ultra HD camera, professional aerial photography, GPS positioning system, laser obstacle avoidance, brushless motor technology, FPV real-time video transmission, large screen remote controller 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, up to 25 minutes flight time, Wi-Fi connectivity, app remote control, intelligent flight modes, stable flight performance, high-resolution photo capture, automatic position hold, omnidirectional obstacle detection 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual frequency. Foldable portable design, beginner and professional friendly. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor system, the V198MAX delivers smoother flight, improved stability, lower noise levels, greater durability, and enhanced wind resistance compared to traditional brushed motor drones. The advanced GPS positioning system provides accurate hovering, intelligent return-to-home functionality, precise navigation, and improved flight stability, making it easier to fly confidently even over long distances. Its intelligent laser obstacle avoidance system continuously scans the surrounding environment, helping the drone detect and avoid obstacles while flying forward, backward, upward, downward, and sideways for safer operation. The included large-screen remote controller provides an enhanced flying experience by displaying real-time FPV video, flight information, and camera controls directly on the controller, allowing pilots to monitor every detail during flight. The powerful 3000 mAh removable battery offers up to 25 minutes of flight time, giving you more opportunities to capture incredible aerial footage before needing to recharge. Supporting both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz wireless frequencies, the drone maintains stable communication with reduced interference, ensuring responsive controls and smooth live video transmission. Perfect for aerial photography, cinematic videography, travel videos, outdoor adventures, landscape photography, real estate filming, content creators, social media videos, drone enthusiasts, beginners, professional pilots, family vacations. Compatible with a dedicated mobile app supporting 18 different languages, the Lenovo V198MAX allows users to control flight settings, access intelligent flight modes, monitor live video, and customize their flying experience directly from their smartphone. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first GPS drone or an experienced pilot seeking professional aerial performance, the Lenovo V198MAX 8K GPS drone combines intelligent flight technology, premium imaging, and advanced safety features in one powerful package. Subscribe to the channel for more drone reviews, flight tests, technology comparisons, aerial photography tips, and the latest innovations in consumer drones, FPV technology, and smart flying devices.